when you're learning how to say I've got to, or I have to, or I must, the term that most people are taught initially is mein rhaid I. It's necessary for. Mein rhaid I fi, it's necessary for me. I have to. Mein rhaid I ti, it's necessary for you. You have to, and so on. But that construction, it's necessary for someone, is a bit confusing initially when you're dysgu Cymraeg. There is another term, however, that's quite prevalent actually, and we don't celebrate it enough. It's gorfod. Now, gorfodi actually means to force, so it kind of suggests you're being forced to do something, but the amazing thing about gorfod is you can use it with terms like dwi'n, so you don't need to change the construction. Dwi'n gorfod, I've got to. Rwyt ti'n gorfod, you've got to. So it's a little bit easier that way. Now, another thing about it is, in sort of common chatty Welsh, gorfod is often shortened to just gorra, which sounds a lot like how some English dialects would say gorra. So dwi'n gorra mynd, I've gotta go. I must go, you know. Ti'n gorra mynd, you've gotta go, and phrases like that. And so essentially, ti'n gorra trio hwnna, you've got to try that.